Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Ritik, and I am from Team 3. So, we are going to present on the topic modification of cricket wooden bat. So, we are going to cover the contents like introduction, problem description, its solutions, smart design lenses, and conclusion. So, let me introduce to the topic of our presentation. So, wooden cricket bat. All over the world, cricket matches are being conducted, and the bats, wooden ball, and stumps are being used, which are made up of wood. And our focus is to change the wooden material and to replace it with another substance like aluminum or composite carbon fiber, which also addresses the smart design lenses like human nature lens, business lens, and technology lens, etc. And the solution should be such so much potential that it should able to achieve the sustainable development goals like climate change, that is goal number 12, 13, and life on earth, that is goal number 15. So now I would like to describe more about the problem. Actually, the bat and balls are being made up of willow wood tree, which are grown in and made in factories in Kashmir or England. It causes the two problem, that is first of all the shelters of various birds, insects like woodpecker are being demolished and they are getting extinct gradually. Second problem is the health of bat workers or employees or laborers in the industries. They are having some problems like noise pollution, hearing impairment, and breathing issues. All these issues contribute to the SDGs, as mentioned, like climate change, life on earth, and health well-being. So my friend Ramya will say more about the proposed solutions and so on. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ritik. I'm Ramya. The proposed solutions that we came up with are aluminium and composite carbon fiber. They have the same advantages as wood. They are light in weight. They have high resistance and strength. Also, they have better durability than wood. These materials are easily accessible and also affordable. Aluminium is highly recyclable, and composite carbon fiber is still under testing for recycling. And moving on to the smart design, the nature lens that I'm going to talk about. Uh, Aluminium mining consumes a lot of energy, but whereas recycling it takes way less than that energy. It's just 5% of the original extraction. Also, aluminium bats could be more durable and they are highly recyclable. So whenever we make a bat, we don't need to mine the aluminium because we can use the secondary metal. It has the equal properties as the primary metal. Also, carbon composite fiber bats are durable because it has been tested in baseballs. But only the problem is it cannot be easily recycled. But still, it's under progress. And aluminium bats can help us achieve the SDGs because of the recycling properties, and also they are going to be economical. So here you can see the image of the life cycle stages of a product. So first, raw material is extracted. Then a product that we desire can be manufactured. Then it is sent to distribution into the release into the market. So consumers will use the product, and then it goes to a end of life, or we can recycle the product. So thank you. Now over to Akshay. We will
Yeah,
cover
thank
the
you, Ramya. Now, according to Human Lens, bat manufacture process includes so many steps and machineries. Due to that, the working environment become very noisy and would toxic wooden dust would spread all around the work environment. It's not good for the workers who are working there. Use of aluminium and carbon fiber as a raw material can remove that wooden dust from the working environment because the wood is no longer used in manufacturing of bat. Most of the portion of wood was wasted during the manufacturing of that bat. If we use the aluminum and carbon composite, it, it can be optimized their usage as a raw materials. These two materials were also cheaper than wood, so for both manufacturers and buyers, they have to pay less to buy a cricket bat. Now, the figure number 2 shows that the amount of wooden dust that can be produced in making of just a one wooden cricket bat is not very healthy for workers. Now, moving towards the technology lens, So many methods and designs were already been developed in making of a cricket bat using of different kinds of alloys, especially the aluminium. Because aluminium has a very infinite recyclable property and it's highly durable. It also has a reusability, high elastic capacity and good tensile strength. So it's the perfect material to making a cricket bat out of aluminium. The barrel bed technology called the barrel bed technology used to making a bed out of the aluminium. In that, a recycled aluminium was used, and the programmed drilling and force of heavy weight is used to shape and modeling of the cricket bed. Hence, using this metal will extensively help ecosystem lives on the trees and improve the human health considering the sustainable development goals number 13 climate change and number 15 life on the land. On a figure 3 and figure 5 we can clearly see the difference between the wooden cricket bat and the aluminium cricket bat. Now business lens is covered by the Parham.
Thank you everyone. I'm Parham. In business lens, we are going to observe the project from the business lens. It takes about 15 years for a high quality willow to grow up, which is not logical for such material for such famous sport. Willow trees will grow well in some places with some specific situations. For example, they need full sun with moist soil. According to the high percentage of raw material cost, if we change the raw material, then we can decrease the whole cost. And we compared the baseball bats with cricket bats because they have many things in common, and also there are some aluminum baseball bats in the market. So we compared the dimensions and the prices. Dimensions are approximately the same, and you can see the prices in the slide. To conclude, we can say that on average, willow wood takes about 10 to 12 years to grow completely and 2 days to get chopped for making wooden cricket bats. Composite and aluminum bats will not be affected by moisture. Replacing wood with aluminum or carbon fiber can resolve the environment issues and addresses the SDG goals. If we modify these bats in hub of cricket tools at Kashmir, the fitness target of workers would be also be achieved, and it can be helpful in a circular economy. Henceforth, manufacturing bats from these materials will be very beneficial to an environment. Thank you for your attention.